NASA has had a long and proud history of inventions, and many of the technologies created under the program have brought space tech into the public domain. This federal agency is made up of a team of scientists who are constantly studying and experimenting to make advances in the fields of aeronautics and aerospace research. That quest of innovation has led to the invention of some common products that many of us use every day. The list may surprise you. But before we filter down these inventions, please make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Number 1. Scratch-resistant lenses. Space can be a dusty and dirty place. NASA engineers needed to find a way to keep those dirt particles from destroying the astronauts' space helmets and equipment. So NASA developed a process to create a scratch-resistant lenses. The optical industry quickly seized on it to make eyeglasses 10 times more scratch-resistant than before. Number 2. Insulin pump. Needing to monitor an astronaut's vital signs in space, the Goddard Space Flight Center created monitoring systems that have been adapted to regulate blood sugar level and release insulin as needed. Water filters. Water filtration devices have been around since the 50s, bulky and time-consuming. These products were not useful to astronauts on board a spacecraft. NASA engineers developed a portable and compact device that could kill and filter out any bacteria present in the astronaut's water supply. These advancements in water filtration are used by companies to provide clean water to millions of people every day. Number 4. Laser eye surgery. Technology used to track astronauts' eye in space, originally intended to assess how a human's frame of reference is affected by weightlessness, has become essential for use during laser eye surgery. The device tracks patients' eyes position while the surgeon operates. Number 5. Wireless headsets. Along with 2 airline pilots who had invented a prototype of wireless headset, NASA built a light, hands-free communication system that would allow astronauts to communicate with team on Earth. This technology was utilized in the Mercury and Apollo missions. Number 6. The computer mouse. The humble computer mouse is yet another product of the space age. Although you probably never give it a second thought today, these were revolutionary just a few decades ago. The device started out as one small and simple component of a broader goal, according to Bob Tyler, who provided NASA funding for research that led to the device in the early 60s. Number 7. Freeze-dried foods. In preparation for Apollo missions, NASA utilized a freeze-drying technique to bring food to 20% of its original weight while managing to retain 98% of the food's nutritional value. Today, hazard analysis and critical control point is an integral part of the food safety guidelines in the world over. This standard was originally devised in the 60s through a partnership between NASA and the Pillsbury Company. At the time, NASA needed a means of ensuring any food sent to space was absolutely absent of disease-producing bacteria and other toxins. They looked to one of the industry leaders at the time, Pillsbury, to help them out. Next time when you need your sunglasses or drink some clean water, we should thank NASA.